As life insurance agents, we all know how time-consuming and problematic writing new policies can be. With lengthy medical questionnaires and difficult underwriting processes, the benefits rarely seem to outweigh the challenges. But we have the product to solve this problem. Welcome to the new Lightning Issue Term Life Insurance product, the first ever term life insurance product with instant online approval and a fully client-driven e-application process. It's never been this easy to write life insurance. Lightning Issue Term Insurance is offered by an A- rated carrier and offers excellent commissions with lifetime renewals. Lightning Issue term rates are unisex and unismoker with just 3 medical questions. U.S. citizenship is no longer required to apply. Residency is acceptable. Everyone between the ages of 18 to 65 is eligible for coverage for up to $100,000 in death benefit and from 10 to 30 years of guaranteed term coverage. The e-application contains only 5 questions and requires 0 agent involvement. And there's no trying to track down ongoing premiums from your customers. Clients can pay ongoing premiums by credit card or checking account debit. Lightning Issue Term is the first ever life insurance product with instant online approval with a fully client-driven e-application process. And every policy comes with a free $5,000 scholarship to any one of over 330 colleges and universities across the country. Let's look at a sample rate. For a 39-year-old male smoker, he would get a $100,000 30-year term policy for only $24.50 per month. Now that's affordable. And the process is simple. After a brief electronic application, the client receives instant approval. The agent also receives an email notification detailing the e-application submission. The average e-application takes less than 5 minutes. It's as simple as entering the zip code, date of birth, and selecting the death benefit. Policies are mailed within 48 hours. And of course, you, the agent, receive double-digit commissions and lifetime renewals. And speaking of commissions, we want this line of business to be a great addition to your insurance portfolio. To ensure this, as a sales agent, we provide you all of the tools you need to make this line of business successful. We offer you several different options to start selling Lightning Issue Term Life Insurance today. Integrate your social media accounts so you can simply post your custom link on your own Facebook page, Twitter feed, and LinkedIn page. Use an agent website to post your custom URL, resulting in a turnkey online application. Start drawing client traffic to your own personalized agent website via your customized URL. And the next thing you know, new commissions and renewals show up at your doorstep. Lightning Issue Term is also great for health agencies, P&C agents, mortgage, loan protection, and associations. We know that Lightning Issue Term will be a great addition to your current portfolio, and we want to help you get started. For more information and to get started, contact us today. We look forward to making Lightning Issue Term your first choice for term life insurance and online insurance sales.